Garmin is gearing up to launch a new lineup of smartwatches at the start of September, including the highly anticipated Fenix 8 series. Just ahead of the release, a leaked image has given us the first official look at the Fenix 8 solar smartwatch. Yes, it's confirmed. Solar charging will be available on all Fenix 8 variants. But there's more to this story, so let's dive into the latest updates on this Apple Watch Ultra rival and explore what could make the Fenix 8 a true adventure watch. Renowned tech tipster Ronald Quant shared an image of the Garmin Fenix 8 via WinFuture. At first glance, it closely resembles the Fenix 7, with no noticeable changes on the outside. However, it's confirmed that Garmin is transitioning from LCD displays to AMOLED. The leaked image also reveals two sizes, 47mm and 51mm. Additionally, the image shows the Garmin Enduro 3 and the new Garmin Fenix E. The Fenix E will be available in a single 47mm size and is expected to be slightly more affordable than the original Fenix models. There's no sign of the rumored 43mm watches. The leaked image hints at a new health sensor in the Fenix 8 series, with the Elevate 5 heart rate sensor available across all models for tracking various health metrics. The Fenix 8 Solar will also be water-resistant up to 100 meters, though adding a depth sensor could enhance its usefulness. For those disappointed by the absence of an AMOLED display in some models, the Enduro 3 might be your go-to watch. Reports suggest the MIP transflective display will be exclusive to Enduro models, offering a rugged option without drawing unwanted attention outdoors. In terms of pricing, Garmin appears to be increasing the cost significantly. The 47mm Fenix 8 is expected to be priced at $1,099, with the 51mm model at $1,199, a steep jump from the Fenix 7. However, with the addition of a solar panel, we can also expect impressive improvements in battery life. Garmin has always been a leader in providing long-lasting battery life, making it a top choice for outdoor adventures. We're anticipating at least 30 days of runtime with solar charging in the Fenix 8 series. Will Garmin continue to outshine the Apple Watch Ultra? We'll soon find out at the upcoming IFA exhibition starting on September 6. Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech news.